Hey guys, Johnny here from Ecommerce SEO, getting creative with your Shopify store homepage schema. Just quickly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, hit the subscribe button or head on over to our private Facebook group. Check on over the great discussion over there. Also, just recently, we have opened up our Shopify SEO version 2 course, on page and off page, a free trial there. So you get the first 11 modules for free and you can see whether that course is for you. So just in this video today, I just wanted to go through how you can get a little more creative with your schema that you add to your homepage on Shopify. So if you've been following some of our videos or you're in some of our courses, you know we like to delve a little bit deeper into schema. On the homepage, we use organization schema. And if we just go to schema.org here, you can see that all the time they're adding more schema elements that you can actually add to your organization schema. So, and you can read about what they are here. So I just wanted to show you a couple that we've been adding in recently that seems to just tie everything even stronger together. So we've got the rich results here, and what I'm going to do is just run one of our standard schema templates. This is just a sample. We'll run it through the code, and we'll run it and test it. So while we're just letting that run, just bring on over my sheet here. So you can see here we've added in quite a bit. We've added in some extra bits and pieces that probably not a lot of Shopify stores have. So we've got the same as, which a lot do, but the founding year, the founder, the person, so you tie the person to the store and that entity, the site owner, their full name, alumni of, so if they have any qualifications, university or college educations, makes a lot of sense to add them here if the education you have is relevant to, say, a product you're selling in your store or the theme of your store. Knows about, so you can add in industry journals that you possibly know about or written in, Wikidata information, and even just keywords on topics that you know about you can add in here. So that's pretty standard, and if we run it through the structured data test or the new rich results, we get all green ticks, which is great. But just some others that we've been running recently. So if we just bring over my page again and open it up. So good ones to use at the moment, we're finding a member of, an award. So this is particularly important if you're selling a product, and a lot of people who are really into their business and they might have been doing, say, trade exhibitions as well. You're part of clubs, associations for your particular market or in your industry. So member, you could have, say, you're selling a dog supplement. You might be part of a dog association or a dog club example, so you could add it in your member part of your schema. Member of, again, of a sporting club or an association or a local business group, those sort of things. And then what also I think is quite good is awards. So if your products have won awards somewhere, or maybe you've won an award as a business person or an entrepreneur or something, adding in that information there. Certainly when you can tie it to like a well-known award, you can add it in here, and that can really just help build a little more relevance and a bit more authority and trust for your particular site. So what we can do now, so these are they're both organization and person, but for this particular example we're going to add them in the person section of the schema. So we can just where we've got alumni of, we can just add a space and then paste those in, and then if we go and run that again, we'll see whether they actually validate. So I'm just going to paste the code in here, run the test again. So there you go, validate, all okay. We can open up our section here, and we can see that we've had our member of, member, and award added in. So you can play around with this. Makes sense if you've got that information to add it to your homepage schema. Certainly does build that trust and authority in your schema and tie it to your brand entity and your store. Okay, thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video.